Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn. Capricorn placements, general, and the person on your mind. Reading ngayong July. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, kailangan ko ipakita kasi hindi naman po tayo stagnant lang na mga followers ang nandyan. No, tayo ay dumadami. So may mga bago. So okay, pwede mong skip yung video kung ayaw mo na makinig nito. Anyway, so yes, meron tayong protection from evil eye if you're interested. Okay, protection from evil eye ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable. So meron din tayo nung ating dalawang bracelet. Okay, both unisex. Okay, isang adjustable and isang garterized. Yung garterized is ganito po. Okay, yung kanyang pendant. Yan. Okay, so yung ating adjustable is ganito naman. Meron po yang initial kaming ilalagay. No, initial po na magmamay-ari. Okay po, available siya sa red strings. And syempre, yung ating necklace. So yung necklace natin is unisex rin. Minimalist lang. Oo, yung kanyang pendant, this is unisex. Okay, so ano pa ba? Non-tarnish, yeah, hypoallergenic. Merong extender yung kanyang chain. Pwede namang gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto po. No, and syempre, oo, ito na. Okay. For love and money. Oo, so si 2-in-1 money and love bracelet. Meron siyang citrine stones. Okay, mapapansin nyo. In person, may mga citrine po. Ha, yung ating bracelet. Okay, para makatawag ng what? Pera. Money magnet po ang citrine. Okay? So, hindi lang love ang ating makukuha, kundi, money rin. So, yes, pwedeng gamitin sa business. Syempre. Okay? Pwedeng, di ba mas gaganda ang connection mo nun? Okay? Mas gaganda ang connection mo kung ikaw ay may business. Gaganda, lalago. Okay? Yeah, there's abundance, prosperity na may nadala itong ating citrine stone. Okay po? So, kung lalaki ka, interested ka, pwede po, basta ilagay lang sa red pouch. Okay? So, yun lang ha. Samahan po ng evil eye protection. Kung meron kayong evil eye, mas maganda po. Ha? So, yung ating granter. So, si granter, yung ating taga-grant, pagdating sa ating mga minamanifest. Yes. Oo. So, ganyan siya. This is unisex po. Made to order si granter necklace. Okay. So, si granter po is taga-grant again ng mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng weekly surprises. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong uri ng surprise. Okay. So, good news, pera, mga ganyang bagay po. Okay? Basta positive lang ang ibibigay niya. Weekly, aside po sa mga minamanifest. Kasi madalas ang minamanifest, ang mga ginagrant nito is visa, okay, to work abroad, makapasa sa exam, sa board, sa test, kung ano man. Yan yung mga ginagrant nito eh. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Mga kaso na pwedeng panalunan, mga ganyang bagay, maipanalo, no? So, yeah, yun ang aking, yun yung ginagrant ni granter po, no? So, mas maganda, samahan rin ng evil eye protection po, ha? Okay, para inyong napoproteksyonan yung inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, and syempre, yung tagapag-alis ng MALAS or alat. Ha? So, nagtataboy ito. Okay? Nagtataboy rin siya ng hindi magagandang ang energy or mga nagbibigay ng alat sa'yo. Okay, poproteksyonan ka nun. Poproteksyonan ka ni cord cut sa mga ganong energy. So, Yes, pwede pong gamitin pagdating sa, pang sarili, pwede sa business, sasabit nyo yan sa front door, sa bahay nyo, yes, pwede po. No? So, mag-a-act siya na parang taga-taboy. Okay? Taga-taboy. And eto. Makikita nyo may mga stones yan sa likod. Legit stones po yan, ha? Okay? Na pwedeng magbibigay rin ng balanse. Okay? Sa inyo. Harmony, union, mga ganong bagay. So, parang isinasara niya yung energy pagdating sa negative, and ino-open niya yung frequency mo sa magandang frequency, sa good, sa positive. Okay? So there. Again, kung may tanong, message lang po, ha? Okay? So ganun lang, message po sa ating FB page, huwag sa comment section, kasi madalas ang nagre-reply sa comment section po is mga scammers. Okay? Be careful. So, may nag-flip. Alam mo ano? Ace of Pentacles. Diba? Okay. So, what is for you this July? Capricorn placements in general. What is for our Capricorn this month of July? Page of Wands in reversed, and okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed, Page of Pentacles. Some of you, this is talking about health, somebody's health. Okay, avoid din nyo something na pwedeng makapagbigay ng stress sa inyo. Okay? Kasi pwedeng makaka-apekto to sa pang-araw-araw nyong gawain, ha? Okay? Ano tong Page of Wands in reverse? I'm hearing pregnancy rin. A false pregnancy. Okay? Parang ganyan. The Eight of Wands. Okay. So, avoid ma-stress. Okay? Avoid ma-stress. The Three of Swords in reverse. Para makagawa, like in general, iwasan nyo yung negative. Some of you avoid procrastinations, no? Ngayong July. So, just be healthy rin para maiwasan rin natin na hindi makagawa, no? So, sino bang nakagawa kapag ikaw ay may sakit or what? No? So, I'm hearing progress, or merong pagaling, mas magiging okay na, lalo na yung meron ditong mga health conditions, no? Parang ganyan. Anyway, that's medical issues. So, mas maganda pa rin po na magtanong or kumuha ng opinion from your doctor. Okay? So, what else for Capricorn placements? The Seven of Swords in reversed. And the Hanged Man in reversed. I'm hearing somebody will share their secrets with you. Okay? Or a secret will be revealed. Parang ganyan ngayong July. Meron ditong gustong gumawa ng aksyon patungo sa'yo. Could be a bitter ex. Yeah. The Nine of Cups. So, I'm hearing sabotage. Why? Some of you, ikaw itong makakuha ng mga ginugusto mo. Ngayong July po, ha? This is wish fulfillment. Wish fulfillment. We have here the Nine of Pentacles. This is abundance, prosperity, energy of wish fulfillment, parang ganyan. So, hindi natin may iwasan yung mga tao sa paligid na gumawa ng kung anuman para lang sabutahihin ka. Be careful sharing kung anuman yung mga sa tingin mong hindi mo dapat i-share. Okay? Could be plans, whatsoever. Okay? So, I'm hearing sabotage. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. meron namang kaka-release sa isang situation na sobrang stressful this July. Okay? Kung ano man yung hinihiling nyo, pinagdarasal nyo, ngayong July pwedeng makuha. Okay po? Ngayong July pwedeng makuha. That's specific. That's a good news. Okay? Ilak natin yun. Oh, ilak natin yun. That's nice. Okay? Para mag-manifest. Pwede kasing pera rin. Okay? Anyway, connection or money, kung ano man. Okay? And samahan natin ng evil eye protection. Okay? Evil eye protection para yeah. Okay. Lock. This is nice kasi eh. So what else for Capricorn placements ngayong July? What's coming in general? I saw 11:11 sa ating watch. Sa ating time. So that is tawag dyan, angel number 11:11. Talking about what? Stability, 'di ba? Yung 11:11. It's like the Four of Wands, no? Kung makikita niyo sa Four of Wands, para siyang may apat na nakaganyan. So it's like 11:11. Talking about stability, the energy. So, what else? The Queen of Swords. Being ready this July. What's with this Queen of Swords? Oh, the Page of Cups. The Sun in reversed. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Somebody will express. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong sasagot, no, sa isang offer. Ano bang offer tong Page of Cups? It could be emotions. No, somebody will express their emotions for you. Ano naman ang sagot mo dito? The King of Swords in the reversed. I don't know, some of you could hear or get a message na parang nagsasabi sila ng sorry, parang ganyan, wanting your forgiveness. Okay? Kasi yun nga, meron ditong hindi nakagawa ng tama sa'yo. Okay? Kaya sila magsosorry. Ngayong July, pwedeng may makikipag-ayos in general sa'yo, Capricorn. Okay? Kasi, parang kung hindi nila gagawin yun, sasabog na yung dibdib ng mga to eh. Parang, hindi na nila kinakaya. The consciensya, parang ganyan. They want, okay, na to move or to message you, to move forward, parang ganyan. Okay? So, I don't know. Some of you, you're open for this. Some of them, they're too scared na you're open and you're ready to cut them off. Okay? Yeah. Pero, yeah. Nakikita ko naman na parang gagawin nila to. Ang tawag dyan, mag-reach out sila kung sino man. Could be a Libra. We have here Aquarius, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Let's see. Some of you, pwedeng mag-asawa kayo nito. Or meron kayong mga legal backgrounds ng taong to. Yeah, again, the Ten of Wands. Alam mo, Capricorn, ngayon pa lang nanonood ka, they're watching you. They are watching you. Or maybe you're in their head. Okay? Yeah, they have a plan. The sun is here. Okay? Pinagpaplanuhan na ng taong to kung paano lalapit sa'yo. Kung paano makikipag-ayos. Para siyang naghahanda sa kung ano man ang pwede mong sabihin. Parang ganyan nga. They're afraid. But yeah, susubukan nila na mag-reach out, I think. Anyway, so, there. Let's go na. sa iyong person on your mind. The person on Capricorn's mind. So, who is this person? Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, Capricorn, who is this person? The person on your mind. Let's see. The person on Capricorn's mind. Oh, the King of Pentacles could be a boss, a business owner, or could be a fellow Capricorn. I think this person, hindi sila, sabihin natin, they have money. Okay, they have money. I think some of them, they have money. They're not a bum. They're not a bum. Okay? The King of Pentacles. So, anong meron dito? Anong sitwasyon nyo ng taong to? Anong sitwasyon nyo ng taong to? Okay, the Star in reverse. May nag-fall out. Something fall out. What's with that? Okay, a connection. So, may nangyaring separation, I think, or maybe a distancing, parang ganyan. Pagdating sa emosyon, parang ganon. So, physically siguro, emotional, mentally, detachment. Ang nakukuha ko dito. Pwedeng hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan emotionally. There's distance. There's energy of gap. Okay? Ano bang meron? Anong emosyon nitong taong to sa'yo? They're guarded. They are guarded. Emotion. Temperance in reverse. Why? What's with that temperance in reverse? The Ten of Swords. The World. Hindi nila matanggap yung sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah, the Devil. Again. Hindi nila matanggap yung sitwasyon. Parang sa tingin ko gusto ng taong tong gumawa ng action, pero they're guarded. They are. So, some of them, ang ginagawa is being busy para hindi masyadong ma-focus yung kanilang attention or emosyon dito sa situation na to. Okay? They're trying to be focusing more on being productive, something like that, mga ganyang bagay. So, what is their next action? Let's see. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. And the Moon. They're guarded, actually. So, it's like, okay, kung hindi ko makikita si Capricorn na gumugusto rin na magkaroon kami ng pagkakaayos, well, hindi rin ako gagawa ng way. They are guarded. They are sad, actually. They are sad kung walang nangyayari sa sitwasyon. Okay? Naghihintay ito ng something na pagbabago pagdating sa situation ninyo. Okay? So, next action niya is to let go and be silent. To step back from the situation. Okay? So, what's the advice for you, Capricorn? What is the advice? Some of you, napapanaginipan mo na to. Or napapanaginipan ka niya. Okay? Yeah, because you're in their head. You're in their head. Kasi hindi naman niya pipiliing maging busy sa kung anumang mga bagay eh. Kung hindi ka niya naiisip. They're trying to distract themselves. Parang, para hindi ka nila maalala whatsoever. Okay? They have money actually. Or maybe, sabihin nating busy sa business. Nagpapaka-busy. Okay? Let's see. Anong advice for you, Capricorn? Feeling nila your back is turned. You don't want any kind of toxicity. Parang ganyan. So, hindi sila para gumawa ng action. They're guarded. Yeah, andyan yung ego and pride. Advice, the Knight of Pentacles in reversed. And the Sun in reversed. I'm hearing enough with the BS. Okay? Enough with the BS. Enough with the silence. Enough with the, sabihin nating, pagbibigay ng katanungan sa sitwasyon. Okay, yeah, death in reverse. So energy is like, yeah, hindi pa kasi tapos to. Actually, hindi pa. Okay, somebody wanting a repeat here. I don't know who's who. Kung sinong may gusto ng repeat dito or ng pagbabalikan. Kasi yeah, I'm hearing gusto ko ng pakikipagbalikan. Yun nga lang, somebody needs to lower down their pride and their ego. Lower down, stop the BS. Somebody needs to step up here. The Queen of Swords. Being the Queen of Swords is somebody who is ready, open. Okay? Ang nakikita ko ito advice is, kung kaya mong maging upfront, do it. Iwasan mo lang daw na magpakita ng emosyon. I don't know why. Kasi si Queen of Swords, that's somebody who is cold. Detached. Okay? Hindi nagpapakita yan ng emosyon. So, kung kaya mong sabihin natin gumawa ng kung ano man na kailangan dito sa situation, pakita mo, gawin mo. Without the emotions po. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse. See? Ito yung emosyon na sinasabi na dapat hindi muna set aside. We have here the Ace of Pentacles. Somebody is feeling the missed opportunity with you. Or kung ayaw nyo magkaroon ng missed opportunity, then gawin ang mga dapat gawin. And if you need to drop your ego, lower down your pride, your ego, do it. Okay? So, who else? For Capricorn. Who is this? Another person in your mind? Madali lang. Oo, madaling read lang. The person on Capricorn's mind. Who is this? Okay, the Devil in reverse could be I don't know. Some of you could be dealing with another Capricorn talaga, no? Okay, somebody is attached. Like, sobrang attached, no? Okay. The Devil in reverse. Could be a Capricorn, fellow Capricorn. The Seven of Cups in reverse. Could be a past person's energy. Could be. Yeah. What do you need to know? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga Capricorn? Could be a Capricorn and a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong meron dito sa taong to? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation? The Sun in reverse, something is hidden. Or maybe somebody is sad about the situation right now. What's with this Sun in reversed? I'm hearing obsession from this person, Capricorn. I'm hearing obsession. Okay. Somebody wants to, parang magkaroon ng kalinawan sa situation. Okay? You're in their head. You are in their head. Somebody is waiting for you. I don't know. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng, yeah, parte to ng past mo, Capricorn. What is your emotion? Let's see. What is your emotion? Okay, the Three of Pentacles universe. What is your emotion? Some of you, pwedeng nakasama mo to sa isang lugar, environment, parang ganyan. Somewhere na pwedeng continuous, no? Or consistent mong pinupuntahan. Okay, could be workplace, could be tawag dyan, school, gym, something like that. Let's see. Ano bang emosyon ito for you right now, Capricorn? The King of Wands in reversed. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. They need you. They need you. They're stuck. You're in their head. They're manifesting. They're manifesting you. Some of them, hindi sila gagawa ng kung ano man, pero gusto nila na makita ka, makasama ka, parang ganyan. Okay? Anyway. For me, hindi na nila nakikita, no, na magkakaroon pa kayo ng pagkakataong magsama muli. That's why they're sad. Some of them, they're starting to move on. Some of them. Feeling kasi nila, tinalikuran mo na sila. Pero sila, hindi nila kayang talikuran ka or kalimutan. Their next action is justice. Yeah. They want something good. Oo, dito sa situation. So, anong outcome nyo? Tingnan natin ang outcome for Capricorn. The Queen of Wands and the Three of Swords, Two of Cups. Woo! Woo! Okay? Enough with the playtime. Enough with the, sabihin nating, time-wasting energy. I'm hearing somebody na pwedeng, kasi nakikita ko rito outcome, pakikipag-ayos. Okay? Yeah, may mangyaring pagkakaayos. Ang hindi ko lang malaman sinong mauuna na makikipag-ayos dito. I think some of you, this is mutual. Yung parang hindi nyo gagawan ng effort. Could be sabihin nating si universe na ang gagawa ng paraan para mag-realign muli, no, yung inyong frequency. Okay? Magre-realign niya the full. So it's like a brand new start. Nobody ang gagawa ng way. It's like, okay, I'll surrender this. Parang ganyan. Surrender. Yeah, surrendering the Two of Swords. In reverse. Not doing anything. So it's like, okay, I don't know if this is talking about divine timing. Okay? The divine timing. Magkakayos at magkakaayos rin naman actually, eventually, yung dalawa. Kung sino man, yeah? The Six of Pentacles. Forgiveness or what. So, there. So, divine timing. Judgment. All signs are true Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, Aries true Pisces. Aries. Ayaw nila ng gulo. Ayaw nila ng stress. Taurus is looking for you. Some of them, they're stalking you right now. Gemini, some of them, they're afraid or maybe they're mad. Cancer, acceptance ang naririnig ko from them. Leo, they want reconciliation. Yeah. Virgo, they're manifesting you. They're looking for you. They want conversation. They want communication with you. Libra. Okay, so si Libra, they're interested, they're attracted. Scorpio. Okay. Some of them, they're not ready. They're not ready. Or maybe some of them, they're hiding something. Okay. Sagittarius, you're the wish fulfillment. For me, Kasi nakuha ko dito, the Four of Cups is Four of Cups in reverse, somebody na pwedeng, you're the one that got away. Capricorn, they're waiting for you. They're thinking of you. There could be distance. Okay. Aquarius, detaching. Pisces, they have dark sides. Okay, they have dark sides. Some of them, they have secrets na kailangan mong malaman. And I think si universe na mismo magbibigay sa iyo nun. So again, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel nasa description box below. Nandyan lang siya. So again, thank you. Goodbye.